friends, so in this video I want to share with you my hair care routine. I already made it, but I'm not sure I explained myself correctly because I was trying to speak fast to upload it to TikTok, Instagram. You know how algorithms work these days. So this time I will try to explain myself better. This is my hair care routine, okay? As you can see, my hair is pretty healthy, especially to be completely lightened up because my natural hair is black. So to be a bleached hair, you'll see now, I think it's pretty healthy. Let me share all the products I use. You can find all of them at goldenamazonia.com. I will share what I use for color, what I use for washing, what I use for hydration. So the first thing I do is I use one of our hair butters, hair mask. I don't do this every time. And also, all the products currently are sold out. I mean, these two products, the hair masks, are sold out in our store. Also, these are the travel versions, but you will receive a very big of everything, like this size of everything, or even bigger. So the first thing I use is a hair mask before I wash my hair. Maybe the night before or a few minutes before I wash my hair. Okay. I leave that on for at least half an hour, if I can more. Then I get in the shower and I use the shampoo. This shampoo is sulfate free. The main ingredient is resinous oil. Okay. The second one is another oil, but the name is really ugly. I don't want to read that. Then we have some chamomile because this is the blonde shampoo edition. It doesn't lighten your hair, but it helps if you are trying to light your hair naturally at home with a product I will show you later. It has bulb extract, allium cepa bulb extract, glycerin, and many proteins. Vegetarian proteins like soy protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed quinoa, hydrolyzed rice protein, eucalyptus leaf extract, so many good things. And then water is later. The main ingredient is not water. And that makes it so good. It's a really good shampoo, sulfate free, but it leaves your hair super clean. Then sometimes I use the other hair mask that is supposed to be used during daytime rather than nighttime, like the other one. So I use the hydrating daytime mask. You know, all of our products are vegan, plant-based, natural. I use it after the shampoo. I wash it off and then I use the conditioner, or sometimes only the shampoo and the conditioner, but this is the right way to do it, okay? Shampoo, mask, and conditioner. The conditioner is also great. Main ingredient is aloe vera barbadensis leaf, and glycerin and water. Again, the ugly extract is called Helensis aniseed extract, eucalyptus leaf extract. So many good things for your hair. It's supposed to repair your hair. All I know is it leaves it really soft and shiny. And then we have the star because, girls, my dark hair look good on me, of course. It's my natural hair. But I think this color looks so much better on me. What do you think? For these, I use the Lightener. Again, this is the travel version. The real one is huge. I show you in other videos. So, this is a natural hair lightener, but this is not sun in, this is not sun touch, because all of them have hydrogen peroxide. This is 100% natural. Hydrogen peroxide is also natural, but this doesn't include it because it's so harsh on your hair, will dry it a lot. This has pure water, chamomile flower extract, which is what really lightens the hair, aloe barbadensis leaf, glycerin, and again, many proteins, vegan proteins. So this will lighten your hair, and at the same time, it will help it grow long, beautiful, give it highlights. That depends on your use, okay? And that's all I do. To get this, you know, I usually prefer like straight hair for some reason. But I slept with these curly things. I'll leave everything in the comments and in the description, like the link to get the things, but you know what I mean. The silky rope thing you sleep your head on. They're super comfy and they leave your hair looking natural and beautiful. All you have to do is sleep with those and you wake up with this hair. So I hope it helps. Again, you can find all of these products at goldenamazonia.com. I'll see you there, and also subscribe to this channel so I share all of my secrets with you. Adios.